you. Well, good morning from Fishguard in Wales. Just off the ferry. A very uneventful journey. Tried to get some sleep, but I couldn't. Touchy subject actually. Second night where I couldn't sleep. I don't know why. I just keep tossing and turning on the mattress for hours on end. Ended up in Co-op. Ham and cheese toasty, coffee. I went to the pharmacy and got an Idol. So tonight I'm gonna knock myself out. Hopefully. I'm not sure what the plan is for today. Now it's already 12:30. I guess I'm just gonna start cycling, see where the legs take me, and take it from there. So most people, when knowing about the trip, they'd be like, oh geez, how are you gonna get through the Alps and stuff? And I always answer like, once I get to the Alps, I'm gonna have done like more than 2 weeks on the bike, so that doesn't scare me. The legs are gonna be fine. But Wales, like, look at this shit, 20%. And it's literally like this all the way through. Fuck. This is beautiful, so peaceful. I know this would happen and there's no shame in pushing, right? But 14% incline, can't do it. Time for a bike wash. Fuck. And a shoe wash as well. You really have to earn the views here. There's no other way around it. Snack time again. Well, I guess today's vlog is not the most exciting. I've been literally cycling in secondary roads where there's nothing but cows and sheep. Just trying to get some miles in. Very slow, very slow. I think I haven't cycled on a single flat road since I got off the ferry. Yeah, it is what it is. Bit of milk. Gel beans power. Can't talk right now. Like, the downhills are so steep, you're just slamming on the brakes. That's it. No enjoyment whatsoever. Just trying not to kill yourself. The roads are so tight that if there is a car on the other side, you're a bit screwed. Treating myself tonight for dinner, burger and chips, and I still don't know where I'm going to sleep. I think there is a nice campsite about an hour from here, so I'm gonna have my dinner, gonna have a beer, and then gonna try there. go. Oh, I know this is good content. Yeah. So guys, let me close the fly because so many insects. So there you have it. Day 3 is officially over. Wishing you all a good night, and I will see you in the morning.